Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to learn how to combine two videos into one. So we're gonna make part one with part two to be one video. So you can see I have part two and part one. So it happens sometimes when you record using the phone, then something disturbs and you cut, or sometimes you don't have enough memory or enough space on your phone. So what does the phone do? It cuts you off. So when you delete some videos, so you can continue to do part two, and then you want to be one video. So what you do is just you use a software called Kdenlive. That software is gonna help you to combine those videos into one video. So I'm using Kdenlive here. I'm gonna open that software, and you're gonna see how it looks. It's Kdenlive. We're coming. I clicked on it. It's opening. Yes, it has opened. So when it opens like this, there's a couple of things here you have to deal with, or to learn tools. But I'm not going to do all of that. I'm gonna just concentrate on one thing, which we're gonna do now. Remember, we're going to render this, but we also have to know which format we have to render this in. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drop my part one and part two into this panel. You can drag and drop all videos there. You say continue. Okay, you can see you have your part one and part two. All of them are here. Let's wait for okay. Once they are done, when you show that this is the part you want, you bring this part here and put it here. Some people can put it here to put some logo here or some sound when it's starting. But if you don't want that, you scroll it here and get to this, and also drag it here. After dragging it there, it should work. So you can see it went until to this place. So simply means part two came here, and when we play,
hello everybody, welcome to our new video.
You can see it's playing.
Today I'm going to show you how to connect the cable.
It plays and plays and plays and plays and plays. I'm gonna go to our part two, play until part two. I want to run it until when you reach part two. You see it still show you part one, and I'm gonna go part two. You can see came here. Okay, there's some things we can't see here. Maybe something went wrong. I'm gonna go to this clip and say delete item. We deleted that item. So when you play, nothing in there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna bring our part one here, and we can put part two here if we want. Let's see what's gonna happen.
Today I'm gonna show you how to connect the cables from your modem. Guys, the lights are on.
You can see they get mixed up. You don't have to do that. You don't have to do that. So what you're gonna do, you have to shift this video and move it, drag and drop it this side, and drag and drop it this side. Okay, until when you reach here. So when you reach here, you can still play your stuff, audio.
Video made it was okay, but
if you can run it to that place and remove this until we reach where it ends. Okay, it ends here. If it ends here, you play.
Anyway, the lights are on.
You can see our part 2 came in.
Guys, the lights are on, as we said.
So you can stop that and also drag this and put it here. Yes, and put it on the same line. Don't worry about anything. So it was dragged and put it on the same line. So once we're done with that, you can see our part 1 where it does start. You can move your audio and bring it here, bring it closer. Sometimes it pushes it down, but we bring everything closer here. Look, once we finish part 1, goes to part 2.
Guys, the lights are on, as we said. We
Okay.
finished that.
So
now what we're gonna do?
Initially, that's what you wanted to do.
I want to change it.
So what we're gonna do, we're gonna render it, then it's gonna become one video. What you do, you click on render. So on render here, it gives you which, you have to select which thing you want to use. You can see our MP4 HD is messed up. I don't know why. Unsupported video codecs. The video is not supported. I wonder why. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna render that video and then bring it back and make it what? I'm gonna render it, then I bring it back and make it MP4. Window media. Let me try to see what's gonna happen, which means I'm gonna render 2 times. Something happened to the video, so they say it tells us that unsupported video codecs. Okay, no, not the video. So I think it needs some plugins here, which we have to update this update the software, but it doesn't matter. We're gonna do it with the web. We can't do that with web. It could be a problem. I think we can do it with ultra high definition HK. We can try anything here, video alpha, whatever. Let me see, try this video with alpha. Let's see, all TV definition, flash and stuff. Okay, Windows Media Player. We can try that, and then Windows Media Player. That's media audio only. That's gonna be audio only. Video with alpha. Okay, we can try to use that and see what's gonna happen. So, but anyway, if your software doesn't give you this, it simply means it's fine. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select that. That's what I need now for now. Then I should take out this. It's a render file. It doesn't want me to render this. Something is happening here. So I wonder why is it behaving like this. Okay, let me select this. When I select that and take out that, for project selected zone, it doesn't give me the okay. I'm gonna do what? I'm gonna upgrade this software and see. Let me see. I'm gonna upgrade this software, but anyway, this is the way you do. If you select on any format you want, you format here, and then you click render. Once you click render, also don't forget to select and also to choose the video type. Once you change the video type, it's gonna give you this button to work here. Say unsupported video codecs. So this one, they say the codecs are unsupported. There's no stress with that. Your video and my video are not the same. I used a phone, different phone. I don't know why. That's why it's gonna be the reason. But now once you use Kdenlive, it's gonna give you this option. Select MP4, then you do what? You click render. Once you click render, it's gonna render your files, and also it's gonna take it to the videos folder. So by default this is the folder, but you can change the folder to what you want. Okay. And also rendering takes if you render the video, it takes a little bit of some time to be converted to what you want to. Guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna update my software. That's all, but this should work for you. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.